Makiria ma ciana cia Ndigwa 800 aria magumirwo ni muiyuro wa mai Kaunti ya Tanariver mena gitumi gia gukena thutha wa gikundi kimwe kia Wendi Mwega kumatwarira Igongona ria kumarehera irio mbura-ini maya ma thiguku.
Then the number went shot up to nearly 800 today. Others had also started coming in. And it is multi-ethnic, multi-religious orphans. We didn't care where you came from as long as we were within these 3 locations. We did our best. Since I had to give something back to the less fortunate. And as an orphan, my father died. My mom raised me until she saw that I became a DC. That's when she also decided to go. So anybody touching on an orphan was very close to my heart.
Ciana ici cia Ndigwa ituganite mucii wa Ngabana wa Tanariver Hussein Dado uri urugamirire Igongona riri ni gukumahe mwihoko ida riri magumirwo ni moritu matiganite. Dado ni atugiritie ruhonge rwa CBO ni wirutiri wao hari gutuga ciana 300 cia thukuru wa muthingi mwena wa Hola.
They fed children at an orphanage called Ama Primary School, where they fed over with their meager contribution and with some of our support, about 300 children.
Oho augite ni magukorwo makihe gikundi kia Bright Future kiria kirambiririe mubango uyu wa guteithiriria ciana cia Ndigwa mbeca kuona onao ni mabatie gukenerera mwaka mweru.
Kuna hawa vijana ambao walijiunga na wavulana wa tender age and with less means, wamekuwa wakijaribu kusaidia the less fortunate, especially the orphans. Kikundi kinajiita Bright Future for the Orphans.
Dado ongereirie ati thirikari nene kuhitukira ministry ya aria mari na mabata matiganite ni mateithiriirie hari uheani wa irio ici. Ona thirikari ya Kaunti ni irahuthagira ndege cia gibiriki hari gukinyiriria uteithio uyu.
The national government, through the Ministry of Special Programs, help of the regional administration, have started distributing food. Initially they had a problem with transport because some of the areas are inaccessible. I'm told from yesterday they had started getting the flights from World Food Program. They had gone to far-flanked places, and probably from tomorrow touch on areas like Galili areas.
Murugamiriri munene wa gikundi kia CBO ni ekenete kuona ni mahotete gukorwo magituga ciana cia Ndigwa makiria ma 800 ni uritie atongoria hamwe na andu a Wendi Mwega kumateithiriria hari ku.
First of all, I appreciate all the Bright Future for all of us members who stood up with the organization to fulfill this event. And secondly, the most appreciation goes to His Excellency Ambassador Dado, the only leader who stood with us and showed us that we can, and showed us that yes, with his support and the little that we can raise, we can make a smile on more than 800 orphans that we made today. Mine is to other leaders who are in Tanariver and outside Tanariver to call upon that making an orphan smile is not, a burden to only one person or to Bright Future, but to anyone outside there. Because I smile that you made for them today, but we are blessing for you to end the year in a better way. So kindly come out, don't hesitate, don't be deny a coin to an orphan. A coin to them matters. So kindly, as Bright Future for Orphans, we shall stand with the orphans and the needy, with the little we have, if it will cost us to stay hungry.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, Jetagwa Jerry Wadungu.